Bonjour! I am so excited for today because I'm gonna be doing makeup on a creative photo shoot with one of my best friends. Basically, we're gonna spend the day together and we're gonna try to create as much content as possible for the both of us. She's going to be my model today and she gave me the freedom to create all the makeup looks that I want, and in return she's gonna be able to use some of the photos for the promo of the book that she's currently writing. That's something that's very important to do once in a while as a makeup artist, because no one is paying you, you don't have any sort of pressure, you can just take your time, create all the looks that you want, experiment, try new techniques, and you can also create some content for your portfolio or for your social media. It's going to be very DIY. It's only me and her today, so she's going to take care of her own styling. She has a lot of accessories as well, and I'm going to be doing her makeup, and I'm going to take photos as well. I'm not a professional photographer at all. I just have a good camera. I have some lights, so hopefully we're gonna be able to make it work and to have some good results. But yeah, we're gonna try to optimize this day as much as possible, so we're gonna film from the phone with the cameras, with everything, to create as much content as possible. So we don't really have a plan for today. We decided on a mood board together to see the sort of vibe that we wanted to achieve today, the atmosphere that we want to create, and then we're going to start with a more natural look and we're going to slowly add some elements to it, so it's going to evolve through the day to end up with something that's obviously very dramatic at the end. Her book is, I'm not really sure how to describe it. I'm sure she's going to be better at me at doing that, but it's like dark blood, like dark romance kind of vibe, so it has its own aesthetics. So we're gonna try to combine both our styles to achieve something really cool. I will put some of the inspiration photos that we have right here for you so you can see kind of the vibe. I packed up a lot of fun stuff in my kit. I grabbed everything that I thought was inspiring. I might not use everything because there's a lot and we have only one day, right? So there's only so much that we can do. But yeah, I think it's gonna be really fun and I hope we're gonna be able to create some really cool looks. And stay right until the end because I'll try to include some of the photos at the end of this video. Coucou! Hi! Hello!
This is my friend Marine. Hi, boo.
Hi! Okay. And that's that's Buddy.
That's Buddy. Okay, come here.
He wants to be part of the of the show.
Yes. Okay.
5 new followers thanks to you. Marine, tell us more about your book.
So the book will be a dark romance, mafia romance, set in Las Vegas. So it will obviously include a little bit of darkness and blood and certain stuff.
All the fun stuff.
All the fun stuff. I don't want to say too much because we still haven't released it.
How would you describe the aesthetic of dark romance, like the vibe?
Dark romance is usually, I guess dark, the same, which is in the name. It's books that have
very smart friends.
it's books that have like very dark themes, so which means it has like trigger warning. It can go from like abuse, like it can have like serial killers in it. It can have like mafia, all the type of things that do need to have a trigger warning for people. So dark romance is definitely not for everyone, and if you do decide to go down that reading type of like books, you do really need to pay attention to what you're reading. And it's like watching a horror movie. Not everyone can watch a horror movie or any type of like crime documentaries or like stuff like that. So in the same way, watch for your triggers.
Let's get ready. Start with a nice fresh look with some lashes, something glam but not too much, and then we'll keep adding more stuff as the day goes.
We'll go from light to dark.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Bye. Okay, so that's the first look. Very glowy, natural. We did a really light brown smoky eye with some lashes for a little bit of drama. And we just did some nice mermaid waves on her hair, put a lot of volumizing powder, and we're gonna start with that. Behind the scenes.
Lunch break.
Please, can you do more Lana Del Rey than that? Marine, how much did you pay for these strawberries?
It was very expensive.
Hi Marine! Woohoo! A few weeks have now passed since we took all the photos. I wanted to wait until we have the final ones so I could include them in this video. Also, I've been sick these past few days, so that's why my voice might sound a little bit unusual. And I'm trying a new hair, so I don't know what you think about it. I don't know if I love it. I don't know if I hate it, but I'm way too hot to style my hair anyways. As you probably saw in the video, we had a lot of fun. I love spending time with Marine. We ended up creating 8 looks. I mostly shared with you the ones that I created for my social media. Marine's photo have obviously a lot of blood, a lot of more like nudity, so I don't want to share that on YouTube. You can go to her Instagram if you want to see these photos. And we are also organizing a giveaway for both our communities. It's going to be over on her Instagram. You'll find the link in the description box down below, but basically you'll have to be subscribed to her Instagram account and to this channel and leave a comment on both to enter and potentially win the prize. So I'm inviting you to check this out. I'm very happy with all the photos that we got. I think Marine is really happy as well. I think she picked 2 photos that are gonna make it on the cover of her book, which was the entire goal of this photo shoot, so that's a success for us. And I selected 3 photos that I'm gonna be adding to my website and my portfolio. And as I was telling you, I don't have any knowledge in photography, so it was actually kind of hard. Not everybody can be a photographer. So after reviewing the photos, I realized that there were some technical issues. I think I didn't adjust the white balance. So all the photos ended up being very green, which didn't look good. So I actually had to hire someone to edit the photos to make them look more professional so they could make it on my website and my portfolio. For Marine's photos with all the blood, you might have seen a little bit of it in this video, but the goal wasn't to make anything too realistic. It was more for the drama. Like, I started to apply the blood on her and she literally took the fake blood bottle and just showered herself in that fake blood. So nothing too realistic. And I know that the photos that they're gonna be using for the cover are gonna be heavily photoshopped to the point where it doesn't even look real anymore. It looks almost cartoonish, I'm gonna say. So yeah, just to mention, I was not trying to do any special effects or anything. I am now going to share with you the 3 photos that I selected. So we have this first one, that's what I wanted, very clean, glowy, nice skin, nothing, again, too creative, but that's what I want to promote on my social media and my portfolio, because that's the type of photos that's gonna give me work and attract clients. And this second set of photos is a little bit more creative. It's to show a bit more of my personal style. So still something very clean, glowy, nice skin, but with a little creative twist, which is something that I love doing as well. I love that one. I think it's probably my favorite one of the entire shoot. And I also picked that one. It's very similar to the second photos. I think they kind of go hand in hand together. I'm not gonna post them separately just because they are too similar, but I just love the glow that's on the skin, like on her cheekbone. I'm probably not going to post all 3 of them on my website, but at least I wanted to have the option, and I can also post them on my other social media. But yeah, overall I'm very happy. We again had a great day. We laughed a lot. Maureen is so funny. And I was able to shoot some cool stuff for you as well, especially these parts where I'm doing her makeup. I think it's really cool, and I would love to do more. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoy watching this video, and to go check out the giveaway that we are organizing on Maureen's Instagram. Take good care of yourself. I will see you soon, and in the meantime I'm going to give a little bit of rest to my voice. Bye, bisous.